Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Bumble account. Now on this page, this is the login page. You can also create your account using your Facebook account, but you can also use your cell phone number. Now when you're using your cell phone number, you can also get verified through text or a call. So you want to make sure your number is verified. Now you can set your location and privacy and you can type in your name. Now you'll be asked to add your first two photos and your birthday as well. And your age confirmation and your gender. And your gender can also be shown on profile and you can also hide it. And you could choose a mode to get started. It's a date, BFF, or biz. After that, you are good to go. Now you can build on your profile and add more information. You can add more photos, add a headline, and all of and that's it. That's how you create your Bumble account. If you think this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.